just here actually filming some videos for the new membership site, which will be coming up soon, and I'm so excited. And in the meantime, it is pouring with rain outside. I don't know how well the video is going to turn out because it's got all this rain noise outside, so I might have to, I don't know, redo them or do a bit of editing. In any case, it made me think, you know what? Rainy days are a perfect opportunity to talk about weather in your language. Well, you don't really want to talk about it. You want to play with the idea. So come up with some actions, do some stuff about sunshine and rain and thunder and bada boom. In French we say bada boom, and clap your hands, make a big bang, wow with the thunder. Make some puddles on the ground to splash in and do a splash in your language. In French we say plouf instead of splash. It's really cute. The kids love it. And it's a great trigger for having a little session in your group times. Hey, do the weather in your language. So, tip for the day. Have a good day in the rain here in Australia, and wherever you are overseas, enjoy your weather. Bye.